Have you ever wondered why we should question the status quo? Why should we scrutinize the tried and tested methods that have brought us this far? Today, we're diving into the importance of evaluating standard operating procedures, or SOPs. Picture this. A company, let's call it Company X, has been in the manufacturing industry for over 50 years. Over the course of those years, they've developed a robust set of SOPs that they believe are the backbone of their operations. These procedures have been passed down from generation to generation, with the assumption that they are the gold standard for efficiency and productivity. However, as the industry evolved, so did the technologies and methodologies used in manufacturing. Despite these changes, Company X continued to abide by its age-old SOPs without questioning their relevance or effectiveness in the current landscape. The result? A significant decline in their market position. Loss of efficiency was the first blow. The old procedures were not designed to accommodate the new technologies, resulting in wasted resources and increased production time. This was followed by a drop in employee morale. The workers, who were familiar with newer and more efficient methods, felt restricted by the outdated SOPs. They saw opportunities for improvement, but the rigid adherence to old procedures stifled their creativity and initiative. The problems didn't end there. The quality of their products started to suffer as well. The old SOPs did not take into account the higher standards of quality that the new technologies could achieve. This led to a considerable dip in customer satisfaction. Customers who were now accustomed to superior quality products from competitors were dissatisfied with Company X's offerings. And the final blow came from the legal side. The old SOPs failed to comply with the updated regulations, exposing the company to legal and financial risks. Company X's story is a cautionary tale that emphasizes the absolute necessity of evaluating SOPs. While SOPs provide a consistent framework for operations, it's critical to question their relevance and effectiveness periodically. Recapping the key points, not evaluating SOPs can lead to a loss of efficiency, low employee morale, missed opportunities, quality issues, customer dissatisfaction, and compliance risks. In essence, a blind adherence to SOPs without questioning their relevance or effectiveness can lead to operational inefficiency, reduced competitiveness, and a negative impact on both employees and customers. So let us be more than just followers of procedures. Let's be evaluators, innovators, and updaters, because it is through questioning the status quo we can truly evolve and thrive in an ever-changing business landscape.